There are multiple methods to export your Python script into standalone EXE file. Today we're going to use py2exe. In the PDF file, you will see the download link to that library. So first, we're going to start by installing this library. It's just a matter of next finish. So let's try to install this one. Okay, so just to confirm, I will just open a Python window here and I will do import py2exe just to make sure that we can import this library without any exception. Okay, so now I have created a folder called to.exe. In this folder, you should have three things: the py2exe binary, and the py2exe setup file, and your client script file. So for simplicity, I will just rename the binary into py2exe. In the setup file, you will set the criteria for the final standalone exe file. Alright, so we start by appending py2exe binary into our directory. Now keep in mind that this step is mandatory here. And we set the bundled files to 1, this variable to 1. Here we define the name of our script, which I name it as client. So let me rename this one to client. And we don't want to zip the file here. Okay, so I'm gonna run this setup file. And watch out that we got two folder has been created here. Okay, so in the dist folder we got our client exe as a standalone without any dependencies here. Now just to make sure that all the functions are working fine and properly, after exporting our script into exe, I will just simply run it, and fair enough, you can see that we got the connection here and a process has been created on the Windows Task Manager. So once again, I will just do a quick verification. We can see that we got ipconfig executed normally, and let's navigate the directories. So let me grab a file. Let's go for putty.exe, and it's transferred successfully. Let me just try to change the file extension. Okay, let's go for the diagram. And fair enough, let me run the wine for the putty. Okay, so everything is fine. Now at the end, let me just terminate the client.exe process. Notice that once I hit enter, it's gone on the left side and the target machine here. Alright, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.